Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to get your IBAN and SWIFT details from your Wise account. It's super simple and only takes a few seconds to find the information you need. Let's get started. First, log into your Wise account. You can do this on the website or through the Wise app. Once you're in, go to the main menu and click on Manage Your Account. Next, select Account Details. This is where you can view and share your account details. Perfect if you want to receive money directly into your Wise account now. You'll see a list of currencies available in your account. To find your IBAN and SWIFT, click on Euro. Once you open the Euro details, Wise will display your IBAN and SWIFT or BIC code. These are the details you'll need if someone wants to send money to your Wise account from another bank, especially for international transfers. And here's an important reminder. Your bank account must be in the same name as your business if you're using a Wise business account. The account holder name needs to match your official company registration or VAT certificate to avoid any issues with payments, and that's it. You now know how to access and share your IBAN and SWIFT details in Wise. You can easily copy them or download the information directly from your account whenever you need to receive funds from another bank. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more quick Wise tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.